Alright, so we just got to the point where we can take off the one with all the rod nut. And so, as we can see, there is no bearing whatsoever. Which is probably not good. I'll keep y'all updated the further I go.